Alright, so I'm going to gather myself for a second so before I make the call. Soft field, I'm going to get this thing going. We're going to go straight out. I'm going to have back pressure going the whole time.
Yep.
I'm going to put throttle in. I'm going to start easing off the back pressure. Get the wheel off, but not hit the tail. Let it climb itself into ground effect. Then level off a little bit. Accelerate this 60.
Alright.
John 2 traffic, Skog 2 Delta Papa, departing runway 20, staying in the pattern, John 2 traffic. Alright, keep it going, back pressure. Moving, no crosswind correction. Right rudder, full power, slowly.
A little lower, right there. Now into ground effect, into ground effect, into ground effect. Hold it, don't pull back. Okay. Nice, just hold it a little more firmly down in the ground effect, kind of just let it came out of it a little bit. That was pretty good.
Alright. Yeah, that was my first sort of sensation of that.
Right.
Yeah, so, could have been worse.
No, it was good. I like it.
Jump to traffic, Skog 2 Delta Papa, right base, runway 20, jump to traffic. I feel like we're pretty good height here. I can go another 20. But I believe 20. Alright, so I'm at 60. 60, don't like that. Slow. John 2 traffic, Skog 2 Delta Papa, final runway 20, John 2 traffic. Alright, so I'm already super slow and I'm a little low.
Got plenty of speed. Let's go ahead and drop a third flap. Set power 1500.
That 30.
Okay. Let's go ahead and set 40. Alright, just want to be right at 60 knots. Definitely use a little up trim, the soft field.
It's getting slow.
You're good.
Sure?
Yep, 60 knots.
I'm 57.
That works. Okay. Too much power, bring it back. And then just hold the power there. Just hold it up. Easy on the pedals, hold it up.
I'll hold them up. How long?
No, it's already down.
Oh.
But that was close, but just we need to hold it off a little longer and start working the pitch up a little bit more smoother as you come into it.